at Walmart and I thought I'd scroll through the craft section to see what they have. So over here on display, we have some wiggly eyes over here and a pack. Let me see. This one over here is a pack of 125 for $3.47. Actually, that's what they all are. Depending on the size of the eyes, it can go from 300 to 150 to 125. Then down here, you have the green pom-poms, 24 in a pack, and the jingle bells. And those are $3.47 also. And those bells come in two sizes. So then if we come over here, guys, you have the 88 cents tubes of glitter in those colors. And then you have the confetti foil for $2.43 and the re-stick. Then you have the rainbow gems. Okay, and then you have these here, the adhesive novelty eyes. I never seen those before, guys. Those are really cute. $2.97. Then you have your silver gems. Okay, 120 in this pack for $2.97, and the little teeny tiny ones right here. Then you have your gel glue stick. Then you have your glitter glue assortment, and here you have the packs of the glitter shakers, and those are $2.97 also. Then you have some shredded. I never seen this before. Shredded mylar. I wonder if I should try that. Let me try one of those. Then you have your bright glitter packets over here, and a pack of 14 here and a pack of 16. The pack of 14 is $3.54, and then the pack of 16 is $2.97. I don't know why. Okay, and then you have this neon pigment powder. I'm not sure what that's for, but it sounds interesting. Then here you have an assortment of glitter also, but there's no price. And then these, that's also the pigment powder. I gotta try that. Galaxy pigment powder for $2.97, guys. Then these little tiny little tubes of shimmer glitter, $2.47. Look at that. Let me see if I can get that up close. Then here you have the assortment glitter for $1.48, and then you have these mini shakers for 97 cents. Then you have the glitter glue. Okay. Then here's another of the Elmer's glue, and then here's some more adhesive gems and the eyes, the wiggly eyes. And here are the big ones, here's the tiny ones. Then this size, and look at the humongous ones over here. Then they have those glitter gemstones. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty. Then you have these in this color. Then you have the bells over here, and this says snow, instant snow, $3.97. Then you have the bling rolls, and that's $2.97. And here's the pink adhesive stickers, and then you have the pack of the glue sticks. So here you have metallic glitter right here. The pens. And let's see, you have some sequins over here for 97 cents, and the silver and the gold, and here's the assorted colors. Then these are water beads, guys. Aren't they nice? You get 6 of them for $2.16, and here are water beads too. These are multicolor. So then down here, guys, you have the multi all-purpose glue stick and the Elmer's magical glue liquid. And then you have here like a whole pack. This is nice. A whole assortment of 12 reusable shakers with glitter. That's $6.97. And then you have this big container here of the water beads for $10.38. Then you have the black glitter. I love this color glitter for $2.47. Then down here you have the glitter glue. I've recently tried the glitter glue and the silver one right here, and I love working with it. I really do. So that's $1.62 each bottle. Then if you go with the smaller bottles, those are 97 cents. Then down here you have the Elmer's glue, like this glue right here. It glows in the dark. So they have the blue, this iridescent one, and this pink. And then you have your regular all-purpose Elmer's glue in the white, and there it is in the clear. Then you have this extreme glue and this all-purpose white glue right here. So then they have this slime. Is that what that is? What does that say? embellishments, slime gloop embellishments. That's $11.97. Then over here you have your glue gun with the glue sticks by AdTech for $5.88. Some more of the glitter, some more of the bling wrap, and then here are your colors of your glitters. Those are $2.47 each. Then the bigger ones, $6.47 each. Then you have the multicolored stones on the bottom here for $11.47. Then if you come over here, guys, you have the pom-poms. The pom-poms are 97 cents, and they come in the white, the black, the red, and these are feathers, these black feathers. So the black feathers are $1.97. Look how cute these pom-poms, like unicorn pom-poms. 65 come in the pack for $2.47. Then you have the white feathers over here, and those are also, so these two guys are $1.97. Then you have the cording, pom-pom cording for $1.97, and then the multicolor feathers for $1.97. Here's the bigger ones. It's a 40 pack for $2.47, and then you have the glitter pom-poms right here. Okay, and those are $2.47. The big 100 pack over there, assortment, and there's no price on that one. Then if you come down here, you have the gemstone, guys. You have these right here in the multicolor, and those are $3.84. And then this pack here, usually they have 3 sizes of the iridescent gems, but this is the only size they have. And in the pack, the middle ones are smaller than the end ones here. They're $3.84. Then you have the felt, and those are 28 cents a sheet. And yeah, these are all 28 cents a sheet. I'm not sure what was in this area for 97 cents. Then you have your foam sheets down here on the bottom. And then you have them with the glitter. These are all 47 cents. Unless you get them in the pack, and if you get them with the adhesive in the back, is $5.72. So then over here you have your beads. Here's the wooden beads for $5.97, and here you have the name and the multicolored beads for $9.68. Okay, so you have all of that. You have all that down here. Friendship thread value pack, 120 in this pack. And I think it's $9.98. Then you have these Wonderloo Mega bucket of bands, and that's $9.97. Then you have this craft gold wire for $2.97. They have it in the gold and the silver. Then you have the embroidery floss. That looks like it's $9.97. And here's a mega pack for $6.97. So if we come over here, you're going to see the beads and the pearls. I love the pearls. $3.97, and then the wooden beads are $3.97. Okay, then you have your stars and the buttons. What are these here? This is faceted beads. I've never seen these before, guys. These are iridescent. Okay, then you have this adhesive magnetic tape for $6.97, and then the adhesive strips and the round ones. Then you have your wood popsicle sticks in the multicolor, the regular ones, and here they have even the puzzle pieces. I might have shown this to you before for $2.46. Here's the wooden popsicle sticks down here. These are 75 in a pack. This is 75 in the pack for this one, and 50 in a pack for that one for 88 cents, because these are $2.47. Okay, then you have these magnetic buttons. Here's the magnetic strip, and here's some more clay. The jumbo popsicle sticks here for $2.47. Now you have the wooden dowels. I love this size dowel. So if you get 3 here in the pack for $1.97. Then you have the wooden dowels here, but this is an assortment and they're different sizes. $4.97. And then these guys are the giant ones, the giant popsicle sticks. So that's $3.47. Let me put that back. Okay, then you have the round dowels, and then you have these. These at least are the same size dowels for $1.97. I like those. And then you have your wooden pieces down here. These are 97 cents, so I'm not sure what that is. Looks like a little birdhouse. And down here they have, yep, here's another birdhouse and that kind. Yep, that's what they are. Then you have these squishies. These are paintable squishies, which I think is really cute. And then, guys, I don't think I've ever seen this. This is Wood Value Pack, and it has a lot of assortments of a lot of different things in here. The hearts, the circles, the ovals. I like that. It can come in useful depending on what you're crafting with. Okay, so you have a handprint stone. This is really nice. Okay, that's really nice, $2.97. And I had seen this in the Dollar Tree in the smaller bottle. I think it was the Dollar Tree. Anyway, I had never seen this glue before, but now I'm seeing it everywhere. Color changing glue. This one's from blue to purple, and this one's from yellow to red. Then they have the spray glitter. That's $6.97, and this color changing glue is $9.88. So you have your iridescent glitter glue right here for $4.28, and there it is in the go. I absolutely love working with these because they're already colored and they're 57 cents. You can't beat that. So here's the owl, here's the wolf, here is the cupcake. Oh, look, the dinosaur. And there's the giraffe and the football in the back here and the fish. So I'm absolutely loving this wooden alphabet blocks, $2.97. And this is a wooden magnet in the back, and the kids can color on that. That's really nice. And here it is in the butterfly. So then they have the assortments of the wooden sticks right here. Your markers, and here are your sponge dabbers. Okay, you have your paint brushes right here, $2.97 and $4.97. Then you have your little paint canvases for the kids. This is so nice for them to keep them busy. Canvas set over here too. And then this is the first time I'm seeing this, guys. For $1.88, you get a 6x6 canvas, and it's already in this glitter. This one is pink. Then you have the blue one back there, and I'm absolutely loving the gold. And there's the silver, guys. This is so beautiful, isn't it? I love that. So for $1 more, it's already painted for you. So here's the little ones. I'm not sure, 5 inch by 7, and that's $1.97 for 3 of those flat panel canvases. And then you have your sketch pads over here. They have that large canvas up there for $13.97, and then some acrylic paints, but they're all pretty much gone. So here we are in the craft area, guys. On the other side, we have like games, discovery games and slime, and all kinds of kids games and crafts. So thank you guys for coming with me to the Walmart just to check out the craft section over here, and I'll see you guys in another video.